platform kung saan para sa entire stay namin. Hintayin niya pa kami doon sa intersection. Hey guys, this is Jay once again and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, Vlogcetera is bringing you with us here in Japan. At this time guys, it's already 9:22 p.m. here in Fukuoka. We are now here in Hakata Station because from the airport, lumipat kami from international to domestic because we have to buy yung tickets namin going to Oita. So yung parang pinaka first off natin for this trip is Oita, and that is where we are heading, but we're still waiting for around 30 more minutes kasi ayun yung oras ng alis ng bus from this station. So tara, balik na tayo sa loob because we have to go up dun sa platform kung saan nandun yung bus natin. Pag-picture niya. So as you can see guys, here inside naparaming tao because ngayon ko lang naalala, it's a Friday nga pala if it's already the weekend. So maybe there are a lot of people going home, tapos yung others might be going to some provinces. Kaya ang dami ding pila doon kanina sa booth nung bus going to nearby mga provinces here. Anyway, as I was saying kanina, so yung bus na sinakyan namin from the international airport to domestic is free lang naman. So we rode the bus and then pagbaba namin, doon na kami nag-withdraw. And from there, we rode the train to here sa Hakata Station, and then dito na kami bumili ng mga passes, yung 5-day pass para sa entire stay namin here. But anyway, this is no longer new to us. It actually feels home already. This is our third time here in Fukuoka. But tonight is not going to be a stay here. Pero babalik din kami dito by Monday. And we are going to spend the rest of our days here in Japan until Wednesday. Ayun kasing flight back namin to Manila. So we're now here guys in track 2 waiting for our train around more than 15 minutes. So yung kanina ko mga sinasabi, parang puro bus yata yung mga sinasabi ko, but we are actually riding a train going to Oita, and that is what we are waiting for now. So 10:06 yung alas nung train, not bus, from here, and it's already 9:46. Anyway guys, kwentong convenience store. So I have here yung instant latte. Let's sit there. Instant latte kasi nga it's already 9:46, and of course hindi na kami makakapag-dinner dahil 2 hours pa yung biyahe namin going to Oita. So we just bought something from Family Mart because convenience store saves the day. just right on time, guys. We are now going. It's 10:06 exactly. So guys, we bought some food to go, like this one. And we are going to eat it here. Kasi mga more than an hour pa before namin ma-reach yung destination. We are nearing the final destination, guys, which is Oita. That's after almost 2.5 hours of train ride. So, yep, we are about to get off finally. Yes, guys, we're here. Let's just get our luggages. So guys, we're out now from the train. Ayun yung train na sinakyan namin. And this is actually the final destination, kaya pati-go na siya. So welcome to Oita, guys. Halos another day na kasi almost 1 a.m. na here. But surprisingly, paglabas namin ng train, it's kind of cold. Colder dito kumpara dun sa Fukuoka, or I'm not sure. Baka dahil nga gabing-gabi na din, kaya mas malamig na ngayon. So we're just going to look for our way out, and then hahanapin na natin yung hotel na pag-stayan natin for a night. Tingnan nyo guys, wala na masyadong tao here. We are looking for the exit na may bus station kasi that's where we have to exit. Doon kasi nearer yung location ng hotel na pag-i-stayan namin. So para may idea kayo guys kung gaano kalamig, it's like Baguio yung temperature now. Tapos naka-jacket na ako pero malamig pa rin. Uy, it stopped. It's a bit challenging, guys, to find the hotel, pero as expected, you wouldn't be lost here because most of the Japanese people are really helpful. They would be showing you yung right path. Ginagamit pa nila yung mga Google access nila. Hi, thank you again. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. And just like that, guys, sinundan niya pa kami just to make sure na nasa right path kami ng kung ano yung tinutunan. So that's always what's happening every time nawawala kami sa Japan. Never change. And by the way, aside dun kay kuyang nakabike na sinundan pa kami, may tumulong din sa aming dalawa na nakasalubong lang namin. We asked questions and then they make use of their Google kasi hindi din sila familiar sa place. Very nice of them. Anyway, habang hinahanap natin yung hotel, ang dami dito mga shops, guys. So, this is Yoshinoya. May mga restaurants and other shops around the area. Tingnan nyo, guys, intentionally si kuyang nakabike, talagang hinahatid niya pala kami. Hinintay niya pa kami doon sa intersection. Siguro na feel bad siya na hindi siya makapag-English at hindi niya maituro sa amin yung right path. So what he did, he followed us. And siya, tinuturo niya yung way. Like this. Yan, siya si kuya. Mukhang pauwi na siya kanina eh. Ayan. Nandun kami sa other street kanina. Tapos sinatid niya kami here. Let's go. And yung dalawang nagturo din sa amin, tama din naman yung binigay nilang direction. Kailangan namin tumawid dito. It's almost 1 AM, guys, pero ang dami pang tao. Baka mga galing gimmick because it's Friday night party. And by the way, nakikita niyo yung pilang yan, that's taxi. So kapag ka talagang lost na kayo, you have options to just get a cab to bring you to your hotel. Nakakagulat si kuya, nag-appear siya everywhere. Uy, ayun, hinatid niya talaga kami. Hinatid niya talaga kami sa isang hotel. Ito na siya, oh. Thank you! Nakakatawa yung kuya, guys. Hinatid niya kami hanggang dito. Kaya lang nakakagulat. Bigla siyang nawawala, tas nag-a-appear ulit. Anyway, we're here already. This is the hotel. Ayun yung lobby. Nasa second floor siya. So, yep. Finally. So, malapit lang pala talaga siya, guys. From the station. And let me show you yung itsura ng hotel. So we're just checking in, guys, but look at this. May mga freebies available here sa reception area. So mamaya kukuha tayo ng mga whatever we need. May coffee. This one. Yeah. Kuha tayo nito later. Special blend coffee. With this creamers and sugar. This is what he's saying. Ayan o. Ay! Agos. So this is what Kuya Receptionist, ang Minya Takahashi, is saying. You can actually get your nightwear here. And everything else na kailangan. Mini pantry. We're looking for 418. Room. It's here. na pero kailangan mo ilagay yung ano. Ayos siya. We're here in room 418 guys. So gagawa na lang ako ng separate vlog to show you yung entire feel ng room, but as expected, another small room, but actually bigger siya dun sa ibang mga napuntahan naming Japan hotels. So yeah, pakita ko yung buo pati yung other facilities ng hotels ng hotel na to in my other vlog. For now, let's go back outside. Kuha tayo ng ating nightwear and extra pillow maybe kasi yung nakalagay ditong unan, yun lang. So tara, let's go. Sneak peek muna of the bathroom guys. Pero kamukha talaga siya nung EPA hotel. Where's the switch? Anyway, papakita ko na lang siya dun sa other vlog ko, but eto siya. Yan. Let's go get some pangtulog. Ang tawag ni Kuya Takahashi, nightwear. Yeah. And texture pillow. Hindi ko maintindihan guys kung alin dito or dito yung pwede. Wala kasing English. Anyway. Sige, and then I believe this is soft and hard na unan. Yeah. Walang English translation. So let's get this. Ito yung mga nakuha natin guys. That is it. So, siguro matutulog na kami, and I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog as well. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and click that notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one, bye!
Cracky.